Looks like probably doing this alone. I got my knee pads on the wrong knee. Oh, I've never done a one-hander before. That was kind of scary. That wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, though. With this said, I want to try not to crash. That's fucking scary, but it's so awesome. It's kind of scary. Bike probably needs an oil change. I had to have had a good one-hander in there somewhere.